Hello, welcome back. Today I am going to do an unboxing of something that I have been waiting a while for. This item was a little difficult to get a hold of, but it arrived today, so I'm going to go ahead and open it with you guys. Okay, so here it is in this giant box. I hope everybody can see it. It has the ribbon detailing, and the bow and the ribbon and everything with it. Okay, so the item I picked up is the Louis Vuitton Neonoe in the caramel color. Look how beautiful that is. I'm so happy I was finally able to get this. How beautiful that is. I absolutely fell in love with this color. I fell in love with this bag actually when it first came out, which was I think in 2000. They came out with the black one in 2016, 15, 17, I'm not sure. But I actually bought my Flandrin instead. I bought this bag first, and then this one came out in the black, and I was hesitating between getting the Flandrin or the Neonoe. But I had my heart set on the Flandrin because it has the top handles, and it almost has like the exact same shape and interior. It looks so good. Like, they both have that interior, like with the zip pocket. I think this one's a little bigger, the Flandrin, but I love them both, the pieces. Yeah, I'm so happy I chose this one first, and I waited for this color because when this color came out, I thought it was so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And I actually got, I bought an insert off of eBay, but they haven't arrived yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and wait for that. But yeah, like, it is so beautiful. I absolutely love how it looks. And it opens. So I did notice these scratches on the interior of the bag, but when I took a small microfiber cloth, I was able to just rub them out and they went away with no problem. So crisis averted, yay. And it is so cute. But seriously, I think this will be my last purchase for 2020 because I've been spending too much, and yeah, so I just need to cool it. But I'm so happy I was able to get this piece. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I love how neutral it is and how it's gonna go well with so many different outfits. Even with what I'm wearing now, it looks so nice. I love it. And the fact that it can adjust, not adjust, but you can like make it a little longer is really nice as well. And I did order a top handle for it because, as you guys know, I love to carry my bag's top handles. So I went ahead and ordered a top handle for this as well as the inserts. So I'll be really excited when those arrive soon, because I think with me, I love a good organizer just to protect the interior of the bag, and of course be able to see all my stuff. Like, I ordered the insert in I think a light gray, so I can see everything that I'm looking for. So yeah, so that's that. It's like I don't see anything. I mean, I'll have to inspect it like after I get off camera, but I think it is so pretty. Okay, so real quick, I did find this chain strap from one of my Michael Kors Whitney wallets. So I just went ahead and put it on just so you can see what it kind of looks like as a top handle. So yeah, so that's how that looks. And for reference, I am a 5'9", and here's how it looks as a shoulder bag. It fits so nice. I absolutely love the way it looks. Super comfortable. Here's how it looks with the when you extend the strap. So this is how it looks. It's a little long for me, so I probably won't be wearing it like this because it is long. Here's how it looks as a crossbody, And as a crossbody, it fits pretty well. And again, for reference, I am 5'9". Yeah, so that's my unboxing of my brand new Neonoe in the caramel color. I'm so super, I mean, like, I'm so happy I was able to get this. I'm so happy about this. This is so beautiful. Definitely, I'll do a updated video of what fits once I get my inserts, and I'll do mod shots. Well, I'll go ahead and do mod shots now just so everybody can see, but that's how that looks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's safe and everybody is happy. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.